Hey there, Tech Fam! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's going to blow your mind. Say hello to SORA, the revolutionary AI tool that's changing the game in problem solving. So, what is SORA? Well, it's not just another AI tool. SORA is a game changer. It uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze complex datasets and provide insights that were previously unimaginable. SORA is like having a super smart friend who can process information way faster and more accurately than any human. It's like having a team of experts in one tool. Traditional problem-solving methods often fall short in today's fast-paced world. They are time-consuming, require extensive resources, and can be prone to human error. SORA, on the other hand, leverages advanced AI algorithms to streamline the process. This revolutionary approach is transforming how we tackle complex problems, making it more efficient and accurate. So, how does SORA do it? Well, it uses a combination of natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics to analyze data and provide insights. It's like having a superpower. SORA can analyze data in real time, identify patterns, and make predictions with incredible accuracy. So, what can SORA be used for? Well, the possibilities are endless. From healthcare to finance, SORA is revolutionizing the way we approach complex challenges. Imagine being able to detect diseases earlier, prevent fraud, and provide personalized customer service. That's the power of SORA. Now it's time to see SORA in action. Let's take a look at a demo and tutorial on how to use SORA for a real-life problem. As you can see, SORA is incredibly easy to use. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can use SORA to solve complex problems. So, what do you think? Are you ready to experience the power of SORA for yourself? Try it out now and see the incredible results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video. Peace out, Tech Fam!